Assalamu alaikum and very good morning dear students. This is our video lesson 11 and this video lesson is for chapter 13. And the name of chapter 13 is algebraic identities and topics are cubes of sum and difference of two terms and special products. Dear students, please open your mathematics books, new countdown, book 8. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to find cubes of the sum of two terms, calculate cubes of the difference of two terms, and determine special products of sum and difference of cubes. Now, algebraic identities you have done in previous grade, but we did identities for squares of sum and difference of two terms, as a plus b whole square was equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and the identity for the product of sum and difference of two terms was a square minus b square is equals to a minus b, a plus b. Now today we are doing cubes. So identities for cubes of sum and difference of two terms is a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b bracket close, and for minus it is a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b bracket close. Now the same identity is written in a little different way. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. What is the difference? That we found common of this, and it was 3ab, and inside it was a plus b. Now second identity, again it is written, I have written it many times so you can easily learn all of these identities. It is very important to learn these by heart. So a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b bracket close. Now I want to prove these identities, or especially this first identity, with the help of geometry. As you can see, this cube, the side of this cube measuring a plus b. This is a plus b centimeter, and this is also a plus b, this is also a plus b, and this one is also. So this is a cube which has one side measuring a plus b. So when we will write this as with the help of formula for a plus b whole cube, so it will be like a plus b will be multiplied by a plus b multiplied by a plus b, and when we apply this on identity which we have learned, it is equals to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and these are the geometrical parts of these. This is one a cube, another a square b, these are three pieces, then ab square, again it has three pieces, and the last is b cube. So all of these are fitting in this cube, and some of these are cuboids, and just these two are cubes, and all of these are cuboids, and they form one big cube. Now with the help of some values we can prove it. Like suppose a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 3. So the measurement of this cube is 5 by 5 by 5. So its volume is 125 centimeter cube. And the second is this 3 cuboids of dimension 5 by 5 by 3. So it will be 225. And 3 cuboids of dimension 5 by 3 by 3. And it is equals to 135 centimeter cube. And the last cube is of dimension 3 by 3 by 3. And it is equals to 27 centimeter cube. When we will add up, it will be equals to 512 centimeter cube. This whole thing is given on your page 160 of your book. So it is very clearly understandable if you will just see it thoroughly, and like each point, if you will just read it again and again, so it will be very clear to all of you. Now see this, the volume of this cube is 512 centimeter cube, and if we will find this on other way, like a plus b whole cube, so a plus b is 5 plus 3, then multiply by 5 plus 3, then multiply by 5 plus 3. So it is equals to 512 centimeter cube. So we have proved that this formula or this identity which we have just learned is correct, or it is proved in geometrical form. Now I want to derivate this formula, or just show you how this is equals to this. A plus b whole cube is equals to this one. A, as we have just learned, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. So you can see a plus b whole cube is equals to a plus b by a plus b by a plus b. Now a plus b, and this will be square. Okay. As you know, we have done in identities of square that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, or you can multiply a plus b by a plus b, so you will get this answer. Now multiply this by a plus b, so you will get this answer. But you can see these are 8 or 9 steps. If we learn this formula, so we can skip all these steps and easily write the values which we have given, like a is equals to suppose 5 and b is equals to 6a, and we will put the values in this formula and find its answer. So there is no need to follow all these steps. So this is use of identity. Now example is given here, cube of 2a plus 5. Obviously plus is here and we have to find its cube, so we will apply this identity. So we will replace a by 2a and b by 5, and we'll write all these in this formula. A cube means 2a cube, b cube means 5 cube, 3ab, so 3 multiplied by 2a multiplied by 5, then a plus b is 2a plus 5. Now we will solve this. 2a cube is 8a cube, 5 cube is 125, 3 multiplied by 2a multiplied by 5 is 30a, and then we multiply this by 2a plus 5. So we will get the answer 8a cube plus 60a square plus 150a plus 125. So we easily found the cube of 2a plus 5. I hope you understand this. Now the other identity, which is with subtraction sign, a minus b whole cube is equals to a minus b multiplied by a minus b multiplied by a minus b. Again, a minus b by a minus b is equals to a minus b whole square, and you know a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Or you can multiply a minus b by a minus b, you will get this answer. Now multiply this by a minus b, the third part of this. So now it will be a cube minus 2ab plus ab square minus ba square plus 2ab square minus b cube, and the answer will come a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. So again we can just leave all these steps if we learn this formula and we substitute the values, and we can find the cube of any two numbers or any values which are given. As the example is here, cube of 3a minus 4. Minus sign is here, and this cube we have to find, so we will apply this identity. So a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Now substitute the value of all these. So a is equals to 3a here and b is equals to 4. So now this is all the values we have substituted in this identity. So now it is equals to 27a cube 64 minus 36a and bracket 3a minus 4, and answer is 27a cube minus 108a square plus 144a minus 64. So it is very easy to find cube of 3a minus 4 with the help of this identity. Now some special products. Sometimes it is equals to a cube plus b cube is given a plus b in bracket and then multiply by a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube is a minus b in bracket and then again bracket open a square plus ab plus b square. Now I want to make it more clear, like a plus b whole cube. as we have done this identity, a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus a in the bracket. Now we have to find the value of this part. So this will go here with minus sign, exactly. So we just replace it over here, like it will come here and it will be with minus sign here. It is easy to write the value of unknown at left side, so it will be easy to solve. Otherwise it's fine if we will write over here minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. So now it is equals to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab in bracket a plus b. What is common in this? A plus b is common in both the terms. So a plus b will come out, and what is left? A plus b whole square and minus 3ab. Now a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square and then minus 3ab over here. This a plus b will come as it is. Now when we add or subtract like terms, so it will be a square minus ab plus b square. So it means a cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b in bracket, then again bracket open, a square minus ab plus b square. I hope this is clear. The same way a minus b whole cube, and it is equals to, as you know, a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Now we have to find value of this part, so it will come over here and this minus sign will be plus sign, exactly. So it is plus here, and we have solved in the same way as we did here. So a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b in bracket and then again bracket open, a square plus ab plus b square. I hope this is clear. This is the almost same thing as we have done earlier, only we have to find value of this part. Now summary of today's lesson. We did algebraic identities today, and which identities? Cubes of the sum of two terms, cubes of the difference of two terms, and special products for sum and difference of cubes. Now the last part of today's lesson, which is written assignments. Your task 1 is question number 1 to 4, exercise 13a, page 164 of new countdown 8. Your task 2 is question number 5 to 10, exercise 13a, page 165 of new countdown 8. Your task 3 is question number 1 to 4, exercise 13b, page 166 of new countdown 8. And your task 4 is question number 5 and 6, exercise 13b, page 167 of new countdown 8. And your last task is question number 1 to 5, MCQs 13, page 167 of new countdown 8. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Allah Hafiz and keep practicing.